Okay, so here what I've got is expanding double brackets. Now, I'm assuming you might be comfortable with this, you might not. Just a bit of a recap and I'll go over it with you. So it's slightly different from single brackets. You have to multiply everything that's in one bracket by everything that's in the other bracket. And the way you do this is known, it's got a little acronym. It's known as FOIL. So the F stands for the first terms. So that would be x multiplied by the x. Okay? And x times x is x squared. So that stands for first. Then O stands for the outside terms. So the outside terms, the x times this positive 8. So that is plus 8x. Okay, now the I stands for the inside. So you do the inside terms this time. So that would be is plus 5 times by the x, which is plus 5x. And then the L is the last two terms. So that would be 5 times by the 8. So 5 times 8 would be plus 40. And then altogether, you would get x squared plus 13x plus 40. Because these two x terms are going to be added together to make one term. You've got to make it mathematically, almost mathematically, grammatically correct. Okay? Now, if you don't want to remember the whole FOIL thing, just remember the lines. And to make sure everything gets multiplied by everything else. So here we've got x times by the x and the x times by the 5. So that would give me x squared and x times the 5 plus 5x. Then I'm going to have negative 2 times by x, negative 2x, and negative 2 times 5. So negative 2 times 5 is going to be negative 10. So what I'm going to have here is x squared, 5x, take away 2x, is 3x, take away 10. Okay, and there we go. Those two expanded. Okay, just be careful kind of with the negatives and then consolidating everything at the end. Okay, now my last one is x times x minus 11 all squared. Okay, now x minus 11 all squared is x minus 11 times by itself. So what you've actually got is x minus 11, x minus 11. And what I'm going to have here, do exactly the same again. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 11, negative 11x. Negative 11 times x, negative 11x. Negative 11 times negative 11, positive 121. Okay. So consolidate all that down. Got x squared, take away 22x plus 121. Okay, hopefully that should cover all the examples that you will need in the Hecate task. I'm sure a lot of you probably already remember how to do this, but just to get you back in the swing of things with a bit of kind of algebra and going over algebra techniques is what we're going to be doing for the next 2 weeks. So hopefully this all is just kind of bubbling away in the back of your brain and it won't take long until it's in the front again. So good luck.